This video is proudly sponsored by Zerorez of Phoenix, Arizona. So after living in this house for almost 3 years with 2 little ones and our everyday life, our flooring is in bad need of some help. Look at all these things, from the little ones trying to be creative, my daughter trying to be a little artist, painting in her bedroom one day. Yes, I ended up with all these things, and I have tried to clean as much as I can, but I needed some professional help, especially my stairs. What you just saw, it was super dirty. So I wanted a company that would give me a wash that was not going to leave my carpet wet for an extended amount of time, because that by the time they leave, if it's that soaked, you end up having it dirty almost right away anyway. So Zerorez was highly recommended to me by a friend. They use green or environmentally friendly products. They use absolutely no soap, which also means quick drying time. The carpet, when they were done, was so plush, soft, and I was just amazed by the outcome. And I hope that you watch through to the end, especially if you live in the Phoenix metro, because I have a promotion, a promo code for you that I think you need for you to be able to get your house looking as brand new as mine was, at least my carpet, by the time he was done with his job. So the actual problem areas in the rooms upstairs is this playroom and Ivana's bedroom, and Karen was done with it in no time in her bedroom before I could even come upstairs. This was actually happened to be the first day of school, so I'm homeschooling, but I'm also trying to follow and see all this thing left, because it's just so fascinating how it all happened. So he had no problem lifting everything. By the time I went, it's like all the stain in her room had already vanished, and I am here just trying to watch him lift all these things in this playroom. Just look at this one.
It's almost all gone. Yay! You see that, guys?
Can you believe that? That is like, it's something that was so gummy. I really don't even know what they spilled, but just look at that. All lifted. And this is like the day 3 after the service. I'm actually doing this voiceover. I'm telling you, these things did not come back. Everything was lifted. So I hope it's convincing you enough that you need more help than, regular you trying to clean your floors yourself. Professional help, and from the right company with the right equipment, is what you really need. Because remember, if you are a homeowner, those carpets, your flooring, whatever it is for you to enjoy for an extended amount of time. The more you invest in the cleaning, the longer it's going to last for you.
This is all the stuff that's embedded into the carpet that most vacuums can't get.
Oh, wow.
So this machine digs down into the carpet and grabs all this out.
I thought my vacuum really suctions well. Imagine.
Yeah, all the stuff it's not getting.
Wow.
So we have 2 rooms downstairs that have carpets. This one right here, which is my husband's home office, and the guest bedroom. And they are both very high traffic areas. We live down here for the most part. So yeah, it's very dirty, and you'll be amazed to see how he got the stain of everything. And is it what makes it so soft too? It feels so plush upstairs when I step on it.
What makes it soft is when we agitate it and it actually fluffs up the carpet.
Oh, okay.
And all the dirt and all the dust to the surface, it helps us extract it at the end. Yeah, maybe triple stepping on it.
Oh.
This is what helps fluff up the carpet, roll everything to the surface, and also scrub up the dirt, the high traffic.
Oh. And that's what lifted all that, the fiber, right?
Yep.
The dirt and everything that was stuck in there.
So the first process is it's similar to putting soap on your hand, but we don't use soap obviously. And then this process is similar to scrubbing your hands.
Oh, okay. So this gives it gives the friction more like.
Yeah, if you didn't scrub your hands wouldn't get clean. You can't just put soap on them and then rinse it off.
So let's head over to the guest bedroom, aka the COVID room. So the days that I work, this is where I come in straight from work through the other garage door, change my scrubs, take my shower in the guest bathroom and everything before the kids even get to see me. Yes, so this room gets quite a lot of traffic. Of course, I don't come in with my shoes from work, but still. Yes, so look at the good work that Karen did though. Just look at that. Look, this is my son's room. Every stain, like he didn't have that much stain anyway, like the dirt. It's all gone. Ivana's room is spotless. The playroom, which had all the stain right over there, remember? Everything gone. Every little stain gone. And yes, nothing has come back. This has been day 3 since he did this cleaning. Nothing has come back. So a big thank you to Zerorez. So I hope at this point you are totally convinced that for you to get a very thoroughly clean home, especially your floorings of course, with no harsh chemicals being used to achieve it, Zerorez will be the number to call. And if you live in the Phoenix metro area, I have good news for you. If you schedule a cleaning anywhere in the month of August, and you use my promo code Kwanchewa, you are going to receive a free 32-ounce bottle of powered water, which Zerorez will add to your order and clean your house with that. Now, that is a big deal. So you have from August 5th to the 11th. If you book any cleaning for the month of August, between August 5th and August 11th, the last day for you to be able to redeem this code, this promo code, is August 11th. So please go ahead and do that. Get scheduled. Any part of your house that needs cleaning, your entire house, a room, whatever, contact Zerorez and don't let this promo code go by you, okay? Oh, it's gone.
Wow.
And that was the makeup stain. All gone.
Oh, good.
Amazing. So is this the carpet protector you were talking about?
Yep, so this is our carpet protectant. It's going to help soils, dust, dirts from penetrating into the carpet.
Oh, okay.
It also works similarly to non-stick pans. So if you ever use this pan that's not non-stick, all the food sticks to it. It's really hard to wash off. And once you get that nice clear wax coating on it, it just slides real smooth.
Oh, okay.
So,
that makes sense.
Yep. So if you spill anything onto the carpet, take a paper towel.
It's not going to seep into the fibers.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Take a paper towel, just blot it right out. You can pick it right up, but you won't get that sticky stain behind.
I see. So by the time Karen left the house and the carpet got dried, it felt so good, so different walking on these carpeted areas in the house that when I stepped on the tile areas, I just felt how dirty they were. They were actually dirty because I hadn't had a chance to clean them that weekend because I had just come off from work. And so that night, my husband and I took it upon ourselves. We cleaned every little space in this house that had tile. That is how good it felt. You know, we just wanted to keep the whole house squeaky clean, and I just can't wait for Zerorez to come back next month to do the tile and grout as well. So waste no time. Go to ZerorezPhoenix.com to schedule your appointment or call them on the number that I'm going to leave above for you and use my promo code Kwanchewa to get that free 32-ounce bottle of powered water, which is going to make your carpet even better. It's going to look clean, feel clean, and I know you are going to love it. Thanks for watching. And even if you don't live in an area where you can use Zerorez, I hope this video has been insightful for you and it has helped you to know the benefits of having your house professionally clean. Thanks again, and until I come your way next time with something amazing, be loving. Be kind, be happy.